yesterday had a major underground plumbing leak and was able to replace the gate valve and wound up needing to change out the whole thing. So here's a video on the problem with gate valves and what often happens with gate valves. So perhaps you saw my video yesterday. If not, check it out about where do you think this leak was coming from and where would you start digging if you had a leak like this. Anyway, what happened here was I had this isolation valve also that would not shut off the leak. What happens is if the gate valve is shut off too hard or open too much, it can damage the threads and break the threads, and that's what happened here. The threads were so stripped that the paddle was no longer moving up or down.
There it is. Well, had the gate valve break off. Inside there, the paddle broke off, and this is the closest one I could get. 2.5 inch body on it. There it is. But gonna get it changed out so we can get the water back on as soon as possible. No fun. Yeah, and I'd rather would have changed this out with the ball valve instead. Problem is the body of the ball valve was 4.5 inches wide, and then I don't have enough room without doing a major remod. So I'm just gonna go with changing this out. Should be able to make this work.
Probably could have done this with the ball valve. The 4.5 inches might not have mattered, but anyway, this is changed out. Again, the problem with the gate valves is they're easy to break if they're over tightened either way, opening or closing, so you just want to hand tighten them. This one was leaking a little bit, so I had to just retighten that union up a little bit. Good to go. In my opinion, the ball valve is much nicer than the gate valve because there's a fluidity of movement to it, and it shuts off. Check out my video about the best kind of water shutoff. I think it explains it a bit better than I can explain it here. Thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.